Hi, I'm Sean Gray, and I'm in the biotechnology CTE pathway. I really enjoy the hands-on learning and all the different technologies that we get to use. Things I never would have thought I get to use. Lots of hands-on work as well. I think that's my favorite part. And just the in-class work is unreal. The different types of pipettes and all the different labs we get to do are very interesting and fun.
Hi, my name is Kaya Fielding and I am a senior enrolled in the Child Development and Human Services pathway. My favorite thing about this program is that you get to go to internship in an elementary school class and you get to create your own lesson plan to teach the kids, and it's a really great opportunity to see how much you've grown in the pathway and how much you've learned from your internship teacher, and if you really want to pursue a degree in elementary education.
Hi, my name is Gabriella Vicuna. I'm a junior here at Portsmouth High School, and I'm an out-of-district CTE student for both the business and art program. I really enjoy the business program. I'm in the second year class for it, and I'm also secretary of FBLA, which is our business club, and I guess like an extension of the business program. It's been really helpful so far. Not only have I learned aspects of finance and financial literature, but also like going into marketing and advertisements, which is what I really want to do. So yeah.
Hi, my name is Kat Mbana. I am a senior here at Portsmouth High School, and I am currently in the visual art pathway. Something I've always loved to do is make art and draw. I've been doing that ever since I was very little, and I knew that's a way I've always wanted to be able to express myself. And if that's something that you're really, really big on, then I highly recommend the pathway here at the high school. You get to go on a lot of different field trips, like you get to go to Yale, show off your art at many different galleries. You get to branch out and really express yourself through many different forms of art, whether it be drawing, painting, anything you can really think of. And it's really helped inspire me and strengthen me as an artist. And now, thanks to all of those classes, I get to be an art history major in college, and I'm really happy that I was able to be given this opportunity thanks to the pathway at the high school.
Hello, I'm Michael Kika. I've been in the engineering pathway for 4 years now, and for an 8th grader, I would recommend the engineering pathway. So in the pathway, you work with mechanics, you work with torque, gears, you build doors using code, you 3D model. Overall, it's just a lot of fun. If you love creating, if you love designing, if you love creativity, then the engineering pathway is great for you.
So yeah, my name is Dylan Festmeyer. I recently just graduated, class of 2025. I was in film pretty much all 3 years, 4 years, because once the class ended, I stayed after a lot to just do more film stuff because I enjoyed it that much. But for the most part, I'd recommend the film CTE program to anyone that's interested in learning how film production works, how cameras work, how to tell a meaningful story, and how to be creative without having to, paint or draw. Because I can't paint or draw, but I can see something in my head and try and film it. Video is needed everywhere, and this is the perfect stepping stone, perfect start. Or even just if you're not going into that, maybe that's not your interest, it's a great class to take. It's fun. I thought it was pretty easy because I'm pretty creative, but for the most part, it's pretty intuitive, and I highly recommend taking the film CTE program.